Good day. Welcome to today's tutorial where we will be looking at how to create a domain redirect. Firstly, we're going to locate or go to our cPanel login. I will then enter my username and password and I log in. As I log in, I will then try and locate a section domains, and under domains I want to go to redirects, or you can easily search up here redirects. There it is, and we select that. We are then going to choose the type of redirect that we want, and we've got two types. We've got a permanent 301 redirect and a temporary 302. A permanent 301 redirect tells the browsers that this is permanent and it will start catching the redirect. Whereas if you set a temporary redirect, it tells the browsers that this is not permanent and it does not catch the browser. We are then going to select the domain that we want to use for the redirect, which is always going to be the domain that you have in your cPanel, unless if you have an add-on domain which will also show up here. I will then select the domain. Once my domain is selected, I will then choose the folder that I want to redirect. But in this case, I just want the website to redirect, so I will just leave this blank and I will select where it's going to redirect to. So I have a domain, yourdomain.co.zw. I will simply tell it I want it to redirect to yourdomain2.co.zw. Okay, you can see from here we have a warning. Redirect might begin with the protocol, e.g. HTTP or HTTPS. In this case, we'll just use the secure version, HTTPS, and that's done. After that, we will then proceed to the rules that we want to set to redirect. So we want to use redirect with or without www. So this means that if someone types in www.yourdomain.co.zw, it will redirect. But also if they just type in yourdomain.co.zw without the www, it will also redirect. Once that's done, you will click add redirect, and the redirect has been set. Thank you for watching.